Welcome to American Truck Simulator, everybody. Remember that little sneak peek of the truck I showed you? Right? This is the finished truck, red, white, and blue, obviously, American Pride. So, I have not done anything with the delivery, so we're going to be doing that. No World of Trucks, on truck. This time we're not in Reading, we're back into Phoenix. So let me type in Phoenix. And I'll go somewhere down here, maybe. Okay. Race team equipment. Race team equipment. Let's do this one.
Okay, here we go.
I'm not testing out the recording platform that my friend gave me. I haven't asked him yet, which I will very much do. So, let's get on the road. And I turned the rain probability down, so it should. I really don't like rain. So if we go here, we go over to gameplay, and we go down here, the rain probability. I'm gonna put it right there, just for right now. A little further now. So, it did clear up one time after I stopped the video, and it's been raining ever since, and no one likes rain. Maybe you guys do like rain. You should be able to comment now. Tell me if you like rain. I went with a very black inside, American outside. Went for a long chassis, because, you know, they're always good. Okay, we're going up here. I haven't actually been quite here before, to this 42 mile. So we're gonna... I'm going ahead and go here. Oops, my bad. So we're going to just get my chair up. We're going to get in here and get our trailer, and then we're gonna get out. I'm pretty sure it's that one straight forward in front of me. And oh, maybe I was.
Let's go.
Nope, it is that one straight in front of us. Just gonna get in here. Touch that mirror. So, out the window so I can see. Should probably get a custom trailer. So not the Let's turn that beeping off. Everyone likes it. And we're gonna go. 30 miles. I really don't. Almost 200 miles. So I can get out without hitting anything. I hope this isn't a 53 foot. It's probably not, because it doesn't have 4 axles. But it is still pretty long. As we get onto the road, we will be going. Oh, I always go past the speed limit on this road. It's just such a slow speed limit. What I usually do is I go almost 30 on this road.
Turn left.
And this time, we can actually go 75, so yay, fast. Keep turning, we're gonna hit the curb, it's okay. horsey on the front right there. I don't like horses. I mean, I do like them, but I don't. Oh, I love them. Dumbass too. I know a couple people who do like or love horses, and I'm probably guessing some of those people are not watching, even though I've told them my channel multiple times. Let's get off of that fact. Oh, come on. Really?
Stay right. Then turn right.
Is it getting off of here?
Right. Stay left.
So I just got done watching the YouTuber that turned off the X's and, or the roadblocks I should say. And I completely forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, he has a drone mode, which I think would be cool to get, so I'll definitely look into that. So, I am using my special mic now that the family and the house are gone. If you heard that noise, that was me adjusting it. I don't think you did hear though, because I didn't touch the mic. So. So that other load that I was doing for World of Trucks, I was getting ready to record because I got back on because I got done doing my other things. And when I got done, it was just completely gone. So I'm sorry that I couldn't finish that for you guys. I definitely didn't want to finish it. It was pretty fun hauling 3 semis. So. Whoop. Yeah. Sorry, I was busy. Oh, okay. My bad. Coca-Cola. I'm not going this way. Neither of these guys. Yeah, it's 75. Let's go. Speed up, guys. We're going 50 on a 75. I don't like waiting for something. Ah, Ford drivers. More realistically, it's like Toyota drivers. So if you guys enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up. Like. That's what thumbs up is. I don't know what I said. Like, I meant to say subscribe and turn on notifications because it always helps when you have notifications on. It means that you'll be able to see a video when it comes out. Actually, I don't think semis go 75, so I'm gonna switch back over. Stay in the fast lane. Because it goes, right lane is slow, the slow lane, and left lane is fast lane. If there's a middle, then it's fast, middle, slow. So that's why you see trucks on the right most of the time. There's a fun thing I found out about the Freightliner that the mud flaps say passing side on the left side because we're always on the right, and then on the right mud flap it says suicide because if you're driving on the side skirt then you're not a very good or smart driver. Not gonna get too much into that non-smart driver stuff. I feel weird going 75 65. I'm passing all this limits. How much? Try to see how fast they're going and try to match their speed. Just catch up to this guy though. So hopefully he's going like 65 because I really don't want to go 55. Let's try to catch up to this guy. Go 65
Stay left.
ish, and I'm gonna guess to the left. Oh, of course it's an exit. Gosh, this game. Can I have 3 lanes, please? Like for a while. So I got my voice navigator guy back. Yay. Apparently he was turned off because that's default, which I don't understand why that's default. Well, actually I do, because maybe some people wouldn't want to hear. I mean, every truck comes with a GPS built in and non-built in. So
Stay right, then turn right.
yeah, we're gonna exit over here. So it's almost 12 minutes into the video. So slow down here because they want speed limit on the ramp to be 55. I wonder who had the time to go on every road in this game. I don't have any DLC, so that would take me not that much because if you look here, I've discovered a pretty good amount. So currently we're almost to our destination. So 43 miles. Roll the window down. Get some fresh air in here. Outside camera for you guys. Oh, it's a reefer. I thought it was a dry van. My bad. Aim us on. Speed limit 75. Got it. Okay, we're gonna switch. There was a Jake brake on the semi, or engine brake, which is us man dudes who drive semis call it Jake brake. Other wimps call it engine minute mark, I'm sorry.